Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the weekly press briefing of the Kosovo Specialist Chambers, where we aim to provide journalists with an update at the latest developments at the court and the opportunity to ask questions. In the trial of Pieter Schala, the trial panel on 25 May 2023 granted the Victims' Council's request to vary protective measures for participating victims, to allow for the disclosure of certain information to an appointed expert to assess the material damages allegedly suffered by the victims in this case. The panel considered that disclosing certain information to the expert does not pose a risk to the victims, as the information would be released in the context of a professional assessment undertaken by an independent expert who has previously been engaged in cases before the KSC. In addition, the panel noted that the victims have given their consent. On 30th May 2023, the trial panel in this case granted the SPO's and defense's request to admit into evidence items used during the questioning of witnesses, such as photographs, maps, or previous testimonies. In addition, the trial panel admitted into evidence other items used by the panel, parties, and by Victims' Counsel. The seventh witness, called by the prosecution, testified in the Schala trial this week and will continue testifying tomorrow. The witness testified with protective measures and to a large extent in private session. The trial panel announced, however, that following the completion of the evidence of the witness, the transcript of their testimony will be reviewed and made public, to the extent possible. The decision by a trial panel to conduct parts of the proceedings in private session is taken on a case-by-case basis, and the main reason is to protect the security and identity of witnesses and victims. On Monday, 29th May, the registry managed a custodial visit of Hashim Thaçi to Kosovo to meet immediate family as ordered by the trial panel. The trial panel had granted Mr. Thaçi's request for this visit on the basis of compelling humanitarian grounds. The accused remained in detention and in the custody of the specialist chambers throughout his stay in Kosovo. EULEX and Kosovo police supported the Kosovo Specialist Chambers. Mr. Thaçi returned to the detention facility in The Hague on the same day. Hearings in this case will resume on Monday, 12th June at 9 a.m.